For this project, we are creating a lighted picture box for Dad for Father's Day. So we got 4 picture frames from the dollar store, and we hot glued them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Serge here has taken the fabric and covered a piece of cardboard with this fabric so that we can have a base. Can you flip it over? So on the bottom of it is going to be a black fabric, and that'll go for the inside of the unit. We're going to put pictures all around it except on one side, in which we will place these little jars that the boys will be creating. Serge already made that a letter, and he put it in a jar. And we'll add the lighted candle along with some shells for the base, and all of the materials we got from the Dollar Tree. So Lawrence is adding a letter to Dad. He has to make it a little smaller so it can squeeze inside of the hole. And we'll take this picture of the boys. We're going to shrink it down to a 5x7. Thinking of getting it translucent so that it'll light up through the box. And there we have it. So we're going to create this beautiful little light box for Dad for Father's Day. And we're going to get a hat. The hat is going to be the topper. We need the hat. The hat is over there. I'm going to need the hat. I need the hat.
Oh, let's get it. It's the screen. Here.
Thank you. So the hat will go on the top, and we'll have a nice little topper for the window box. And so it'll be filled with all of his favorite chocolates and other delightful things that he loves.